First of all, create a class which is account class. Then declare the variables here. Create account class and declare few variables here. Then as I told you, create a constructor. So I will create a constructor again. One second. Okay. So here listen, declare a variable, right click here, go to source, okay, right click here, go to source, generate a constructor using fields, select all, click OK. So this is your constructor here, save all, right click, go to source, click on getters and setters, right click, go to source, click on getters and setters. Okay, so here is the getters and setters. Look at this. So here we have a getters and setters. So first of all, create a constructor. Then as I told you, create a getters and setters. Now it's clear. Everybody, please reply. इथपर्यंत समजलं सगळ्यांना? Everybody understood this? Just declare the variable, create a constructor, and getters and setters. Okay. Then another class, that is account manager. Another class which is the account manager. Okay. Now we have another class, account manager. Okay, in account manager, as I told you, create a array. So here first of all, create an object of scanner class and create an object of scanner class, and you can ask here SYSO how many accounts do you want to open? How many accounts do you want to open? Now here integer n equal to sc dot next int. So I said I want to open 3 accounts. So you can pass that n here. How many accounts do you want to open? So I said I want how many accounts? 3 accounts. Okay. Now after this, here you are creating the array. So look at, this is my array. This is my array. Name of the array is ARR. Name of the array is ARR. Okay. This array name is what? ARR. Okay. This is called as the ARR. Okay. After this, okay, then for loop, integer I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length, and I plus plus. And here we'll ask user enter account details for I plus 1 customer. So what is the meaning of this line? I is 0, 0 less than 3. Suppose if I said I want 3 accounts. So this is the property in Java which will return the length of the array. ARR dot length will return length of array. Here ARR dot length will return the length of the array. I equal to 0, 0 less than 3. So enter the account detail for 0 plus 1 means first customer. So what details I want here? Okay, so details which I want right now. Look at this. SYSO enter account number, comma, customer name, account balance. Okay, so enter account number, customer name, account balance. So create an object A is equal to new account sc dot next account number, then sc dot next customer name, and then sc dot next account balance. So I equal to 0, 0 less than 3. Enter account details for 0 plus 1 customer. So enter account number, customer name, account balance. So I created the object here. Account A equal to new account, first account number, then customer name, and then account balance, and just store this object in the array of 0th position of your account array. First object you can store here, means I will get my first object at this location, and this is my first object. Suppose the data is 101, name of the customer Ramesh, and account balance is 10,000. Because I is right now 0. I is a 0 here. After this I becomes 1. I becomes a 1 here. Remember, I becomes 1 here. 1 less than 3. Okay, I becomes a 1 here. So 1 is less than 3. Enter account details for 1 plus 1 customer, means second customer. Enter account details for second customer. Okay. So what details I want? Account number, name and balance. Create a second object. Account number, name and balance. Create a object 2. So let's create the object here. See, the object is created here. And see, this object is created. Also take the account number, name and balance. So suppose the data is account number 201. Okay, suppose Ganesh is there and balance is there. Okay. So this is second object, and you can store this object at one index of your array. So this object is here because I is 1 this time. Next time I becomes 2. 2 less than 3 because length is 3 right now. Enter account detail for 1 plus 1 is third customer. Enter the account detail for third customer here. So enter account number, name and balance. Create a one more object. Create a one more object. Get the account number, name and balance. Store this object at third index. So you will get one more object here. Insert some data here. For example, 301. Okay. Data and a balance. 40,000. So I is become a 2 right now. So यहाँ पे you got the data. Remember this. You got your data and return array. तो array return करोगे तो return type भी account आएगा. But account का array return करोगे. Look at this. ही line कळली का मी काय केलं ते? हे बघा. The difference between line number 8 and 14. Line number 8 means array for account class. Okay, and your line number 8 means this area, Prathamesh. Line number 8 means this area. See, this is the line number 8. Okay, and line number 14 means first time when I am inside a for loop. So line number 14 means this object. Second time when inside a for loop, line number 14 means this object. Third time, line number 14 means this object, and store this object inside the array. Understood, Prathamesh? Yes, we can do that, Prathamesh, but right now I am just like keeping the simple here. First of all, create the array, and yeah, listen, suppose this line, instead of this, you can create ARR of I also. See, this is also valid. Understood, Prathamesh? आपण असं पण करू शकतो की अरेच्या 0 लोकेशनला पहिला ऑब्जेक्ट गेला, अरेच्या 1 इंडेक्सला सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट, अरेच्या 2 इंडेक्सला पुढचा ऑब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वैलिड. ठीक है. ठीक. एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड दिस लाइन? दिस लाइन मीन्स योर अरे and this means your object for every index. Object at every index inside the array. Everybody clear? Please reply. ही लाइन म्हणजे तुमचा अरे आणि याचा अर्थ तुमचा प्रत्येक इंडेक्सला ऑब्जेक्ट तयार होतोय तो. हा. Now here we got the object 1, object 2 and object 3. Okay, so return your array. हा जो array, this now you are returning to the main class. Return to the main. Return to the main class. Which class? Main class. So from here you are returning here, and from here go to main class. But I don't have main class yet. Just create a main class. Right click, new, create a class. Bank main. In the main class, first of all, create the object of manager class, account manager. Account manager. Account manager is equal to new account manager. ठीक है, so account manager equal to new account manager, and then account manager dot create account. This line will return the account class object. Account class object. See, account manager call create account. You will get the this create method here. How many account do you want? I said 3 account. Create the array, store 3 objects, return the array back to the main class. You will get your data here. Then you will get your data here. After this, call the account manager dot display account and pass your object in a bracket. ठीक आहे, हे स्टेप्स कळतंय का सगळ्यांना? प्लीज रिप्लाय. याने आपल्याला अरे क्रिएट केला आणि तो अरे याच्यात दिला. मग तो अरे जाताना डिस्प्लेला पास केला. हा अरे, पास युअर अरे टू दिस डिस्प्ले अकाउंट मेथड. गो टू डिस्प्ले अकाउंट मेथड and receive that array here. Account the object the array. And now here we are going to print this now. I equal to 0, I less than account object dot length. Length means what? Number of elements present in the array. Please remember, length means what? Number of elements present in array. Can you tell me how many objects are present in this array right now? Can you tell me how many objects are present inside this array right now? Yes, that's right. There are 3 objects. Yes. And here I plus plus. Here I plus plus. And after this, ARR object, account object dot now SYSO account object of I dot get account number plus space plus account object of I dot get customer name plus space plus account object of I dot get account balance. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय झाला? I is equal to 0, 0 less than 3, 0th location account number you will get. After this, 0th location customer name you will get. After this, 0th location account balance you will get. Balance you will get here. Remember this. After this, I becomes 1, 1 less than 3. Again 1 location account number, again 1 location customer name and 1 index account balance. Then I becomes 2. 2 index account number, then second index customer name and second index account balance. इथे कशाला क्रिएट करायचा? क्रिएट ऑलरेडी केला इथे. हे बघ, इथे क्रिएट केलाय आणि याच्यात टाकलाय. क्लिअर? अरे मध्ये ठेवलाय. हा अरे रिटर्न केला. हा अरे मेन कडे गेला. तो अरे त्याने याला दिला, ह्या ऑब्जेक्टला. इथे तो ऑब्जेक्ट इथे पास केला अरे. सपोज हा दिस इज युअर अरे. देन गो टू डिस्प्ले फंक्शन. इथे तो अरे आला. याने त्याच्यातला एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट घेतला आणि इथे प्रिंट केला. मग तोच तर आपण प्रिंट करतोय ना. याच्यामध्ये माझा डेटा आहे ना. आपण जो डेटा इथे स्टोअर केला, हा बघ, हा जो डेटा स्टोअर केला इथे, हा बघ, हा ऑब्जेक्ट तयार झाला. इथे कशाला क्रिएट करायचा? ऑब्जेक्ट इथे क्रिएट करतोय आपण. ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करतोय, अरे मध्ये ठेवतोय. अरे म्हणजे एक कंटेनर आहे. क्लिअर? अरे म्हणजे काय? एक कंटेनर आहे. त्या कंटेनरने मला अरे रिटर्न केला इथे. यू कॅन गो टू मेन क्लास. तो कंटेनरने डेटा इथे सेट केला. आता हा डेटा आपण पास केला कोणाला? डिस्प्लेला. मग डिस्प्लेने तो डेटा इथे पास केला. आता इथे पास केल्यावर I0 0 less than 3. मग 0चा अकाउंट नंबर मीन्स युअर दिस व्हॅल्यू. ओके, 0चा customer name means you will get which value? You will get this value. Then 0चा account balance means you will get this value. Then I becomes 1, 1 less than 3. Again, one account number, one customer name and one account balance. So one account number, one customer name, one account balance. I becomes 2. Then two account number, two customer name and two account balance. Understood? Everybody clear? Please reply. Do one thing, save all the data, save all. First of all, save all. Click on save all. असं काही नाहीये. क्लिअर? दिस इज द रेफरन्स. याला काय म्हणतात? रेफरन्स. ओके, त्याच्यामुळेच मी वेगळं नाव घेतलं. हिअर इज द नेम ARR. Here is the name ARR. You can store your data inside ARR. Return the ARR. Return ARR back to the main class. You will get that ARR here. From this one, you can pass to this one. Go to this manager class. You will get that array here and display data here. Now suppose this is your account class. Once again, class account. Okay, setters and getters. Okay, then we have a class here. Suppose account manager, which has two methods here. Create a method, return the array of account. Array of account. Therefore, return type is account array like this. And here's another method, display for the array. Display all the objects data here. Now go to main class. Bank main. Public static void main. Public static void main. And here public static void main. And after this, here I will print first of all account manager A equal to new account manager. Okay, and A dot create. So this one will return array of account class, and then A dot display pass this array here. Okay, create a account class object and store in array. Okay, understand? So now see, understand the sequence. Go to main class. Go to main class. Create the object of this class. Object is created for this class. Then call the create function. This create function will go to this block, which will create an array of account class. Store that object in the array. Return this array from here to here. Now I will change this color. Okay, from here you can back to which variable? This variable, this one. Then go to display. your display will pass that array here and you can display that data. Okay, so ये था step 1. Then you have step 2, create the array. Step 3, return the array. Step 4 is here. Inside this, step 5 is this one. And step 6 is this one. Understood the sequence? Please reply. I don't understand that how account data is used in the main class. Account data. So here we have created the account object. कन्स्ट्रक्टरचं आपण लेक्चर सेपरेट घेऊयात. मी म्हटलो तो मागच्या वेळेस सुद्धा, पण तरी सुद्धा ठीक आहे. प्रथमेश, I don't understand that how account data is used in the main class. See, look at this, Prathamesh. As I told you in the sequence, first of all, you create an object of manager class, and don't be confused. It is like a previous program only. Same like a previous program. Just we are creating a multiple objects. So this line will call your create account from manager class. Means this one. After this, how many accounts do you want? I said 3 accounts. We have created array here. And then I is 0, 0 less than 3. So you can store your data in the array. I hope this is clear. I becomes 1 second object. I becomes 2 third object. सर्वांना इथपर्यंत क्लिअर आहे ना? प्रथमेश, इथपर्यंत क्लिअर आहे का? Now we are returning this array. We are returning this array to this block. We are returning the line number 18 to the line number 3 here. Go to main. And that line number 3 will assign that data to this variable. Now from here you will get that data inside this one. Now from here I will pass that data to this variable, means this function. Go to display account. You will get that data here right now. You will get that data here, and here you can display records. I 0, 0 less than 3, first data. Then I becomes 1, 1 less than 3, second data. I becomes 2, 2 less than 3, third data. That's it. कोणाला डाउट असेल तर विचारा, because I am going to add another function now. Please reply. समजलं का इथपर्यंत? Right click, new. Tell me the sequence. Which class should I create first? Tell me the sequence. Which class should I create first? Tell me the sequence here. Yes, product class. Correctly. Right click, new, create a class. Right click, new, create a class. Product class. In the product class, private integer product ID, string product name, product price, private product price, product quantity. Okay, product ID, product name, product price, product quantity. Product ID, product name, product price, product quantity. So declare these variables here. Now right click, source, generate a constructor using fields here. Select all, click OK. Okay, save all. पहिली सवय ही ठेवा की click on save option. Okay, then right click, source, getters and setters. Select all. Look at this, right click, source, getter setters. Select all, click OK. Okay, fine. So any questions here inside this class, please reply. So constructor का क्रिएट करतो आपण? मी तुम्हाला लास्ट टाइमला पण सांगितलं होतं की जेव्हा ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करतो ह्या क्लासचा, त्यावेळेस जर आपण व्हॅल्यू पास केल्या तर ते आपण कन्स्ट्रक्टरला पास करतो, आणि जे व्हॅल्यू नंतर पास करायचे असतील तर आपण सेटर मेथडला पास करतो. सो कन्स्ट्रक्टर एक्झिक्यूट ओनली वन्स, बट अगेन आय एम टेलिंग यू की आय विल टेक अ सेपरेट लेक्चर ऑन अ कन्स्ट्रक्टर. डोंट वरी, I will take the separate lecture on a constructor. Don't worry. ठीक है? ठीक है. So here is the that's right. While creating the memory of this variable, if you want to set the value, then you can go for constructor. This is called as parametric constructor. This is called as parametric constructor. Okay, and again I'm telling you, those who all are not good in C and C++, so I will suggest first attend the C++. Okay, those who all are not good in a C and C++, first attend C++, because what is the parameter and what is the the data types and what is the basic fundamentals, what is the array, what is the functions, all these concepts you will easily understand in C and C++ programming. Okay. ठीक है. So this is your variables. Then you have a constructor. Initialize the value. This I told you. Can you tell me the use of this keyword here? ठीक है. So this name इसको बोलता है. This is called as the instance variable, and this is called as parameter variable. Parameters. So if the instance variable and parameters are same, to resolve the ambiguity between instance variable and a parameter, we are using this keyword right now. हे नाव आणि इथलं नेम जर सेम असेल तर आपण this keyword वापरतो. This name and this name is same, we are using a this keyword here. Understood? If this names and this names are same, we are using a this keyword here. Fine. So this dot product ID equal to product ID, product name equal to product name, product price equal to product price, product quantity equal to this. So we can set the value to the instance variable of the class, and to print this data, we have get product ID, we have get product name, we have get product price, and we have get product quantity. Look at this. याच्याने तुम्हाला क्वांटिटी मिळणार, याच्याने तुम्हाला प्राइस मिळणार, याच्याने तुम्हाला नेम मिळणार आणि याच्याने तुम्हाला आयडी मिळणार. ठीक आहे. फाइन. आता आपण बघूया तिकडे. सो सेव्ह, पहिले सेव्ह करायचं हॅबिट ठेवायचे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेव्ह दिस. राइट क्लिक, न्यू and go to class. Which class should I create? Tell me. Main or info or manager? Tell me which class should I create now? Yeah. So I will say shop info. Shop info. Okay. Shop info class or product info class. Huh? सो याला जर सेव्ह केलं पहिले तरच तुम्हाला इथे ते व्हेरिएबल मिळतील आणि तो क्लास मिळेल. हियर क्रिएट अ मेथड पब्लिक void, पहिले मी void ठेवतो. ओके. क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट. Create a product. So create a product here. So create a scanner class. Import the package for the scanner class. Sc equal to new scanner. System dot in sequence नीट लक्षात ठेवा. Okay, see, please understand the sequence, and in same sequence you have to use whenever you are doing any program. So first of all, create this class, then create a info class. Okay, then SYSO, how many products do you want? Okay, how many products do you want? I said n. Sc dot make matlab कौन? I want suppose 3 products. Use for loop I equal to 0, but create an array first of all. For which class? Product class. Product class array. Product array equal to new product array. And here is the n. Okay, product array dot length I plus plus. So here we created the array. array of the product. Okay, so then I less than this length. So here you can ask SYSO, enter the product details. Like okay, what you want? Suppose product ID, then product ID, then I want product ID, product name, product price, and last is product quantity. And just create the object here ARR. म्हणजे 4 व्हेरिएबल घेण्यापेक्षा मी डायरेक्टली इथे क्रिएट करतो. अदरवाइज you need to take 4 variables. Look at this. Key product ID equal to sc dot next in. Take the product ID, then product name, string. Product name equal to sc dot next. Then product price. You will take price equal to sc dot next double. Then integer product quantity sc dot next in here. So first of all product ID, product name, product price, product quantity. ठीक है? ID, name, price and the quantity. Just take this data, product ID, name, price and quantity, and product array of I equal to new product. Pass this value PID, product name, then next is product price, and the last is product quantity. Okay, last is product quantity. So in this way you will get the data ID, name, price and quantity. So म्हणजे 4 व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल मध्ये घेतल्या आणि मग तुम्ही त्या कन्स्ट्रक्टरला पास केल्या. Okay, so I becomes 1, 1 less than 3, again second object, I becomes 2, third object, so you will get your data in the array. Now return this product array, return kara. Therefore return type is product array. Go to, now main class is not there, first create a main class. Or I will create the display method here. Public void display product array and let's display the data here. For loop I equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length and I plus plus. Okay, and here ARR of I dot get product ID plus ARR of I dot get product name plus ARR of I dot get product price plus ARR of I dot get product quantity. See like this. So I 0, 0 less than 3, 0 is ID, 0 is name, price, quantity. I becomes 1, 1 less than 3, 1 is ID, name, price, quantity. I becomes 2. Now create a main class. Now create a main class, right click, new, create a class. And the product main or shop main. Create a main class. Inside a main class, first of all create product shop info class object. I hope you remember why we are creating this type of approach, free class approach. Okay, shop info, then s info dot create a product, and you will get your products here. Okay, and then s info dot display product and pass this array here. That's it. So in a create killer, if array miala and display killer, that's it. Right click, run as application. How many products do you want? 3 products. Product ID, product name, okay, product price, product quantity. Second product detail, product name, okay, pen, price, quantity. For product detail, mobile, okay, then price is there, quantity is there. हे बघा, पहिला प्रोडक्ट, दूसरा प्रोडक्ट, तीसरा प्रोडक्ट, चौथा प्रोडक्ट. दॅट्स इट. सो ज्यांना हे जमेल त्यांना एक काम करायचंय. ओके, इथे one create this one, then you have to add a code, enter the product ID, enter the product ID to search a record. आणि जे एक्झाम्पल झालं ग्रुपवर लगेच त्याचा फोटो तरी टाकत जा. ओके, की लाईक सो जस्ट टू अंडरस्टँड की कोणी कोणी केलं ते ऍटलिस्ट. इथे पण एक स्कॅनर क्लास लागेल तुम्हाला. जस्ट क्रिएट अ स्कॅनर क्लास हियर. क्रिएट अ स्कॅनर क्लास हियर. आणि ज्यांना कोणाला काही एरर आहेत, रन नाही होते, काही इश्यू येतोय, टेल मी. आय विल शेअर गुगल मीट लिंक टुडे, मे बी 9. I will share one Google Meet link, so you can share your screen. Okay. Scanner SC equal to new scanner system dot in, enter product ID SC dot next in, and then you are going to call sinfo dot search data, and you have to pass product ID, and if this product ID data is present, then display the data. So your method, where should I add this method? Tell me. Where should I add the method? Search data. Tell me. Where should I add the method? Tell me. Yes, that's right. Correct. Okay. So then, ज्यांना हे पण जमेल त्यांनी अजून एक ऍड करा, sinfo dot delete product for PID. ज्यांना हे जमेल त्यांनी असं पण करा, sinfo dot sort the product. So I should get my data, okay, in sorted order as per the price, based on the price. जमलं तर करा, नाही तर उद्या शिकवणार आहे as per the price. Abul, what is the doubt? If possible, try this. Otherwise, complete this program. Okay. Question is clear, everybody. If possible, try these 3 operations. Otherwise, I will take this in next lecture. Don't worry.